Stop spending thousands on a new PC. Build your own powerhouse for less than $500. First up, the CPU. Grab the Ryzen 5 5600G. It's affordable and handles multitasking like a champ. Next, the motherboard, ASRock B450M Pro 4. Reliable and perfect for future upgrades. For RAM, 16 GB of Corsair Vengeance LPX. Speedy and great for multitasking. Storage, get a 512 GB NVMe SSD. Super fast loading times. Now the GPU GTX 1650. Perfect for light gaming and streaming. Finally, the PSU and case EVGA 500W1 and the NZE XT H510. Solid power and a sleek look. There you have it. A powerful PC for school, streaming, and gaming, all for under $500. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more budget-friendly tech tips.